You are amazing on what you do. You're very knowledgeable. We can tell. You guide us in the right directions, even on the scholarship. I think the first time that we met you, you said that look, the investment really pays off because you may get some good scholarships, and that's what happened. So for someone who's never been through this process before, it's really hard to know where to start and the different phases. There are so many options, so many colleges. So I think you helping guiding us on where to start. You had a long list of what to do in the different stages and what to expect.
You helped a lot with the college essay and all like the supplemental essay, like writing process and like checking my writing and everything. And it was really helpful to like get that feedback.
Two things. One is like you gave feedback on the schools to apply. I've never heard of some of the schools that you mentioned initially, and you kind of like gave like good options to Sophia, like Arizona. It's a good school that is growing a lot and has a good potential. So I think that was great because most people don't know they only have the visibility in the state or it's the neighbor states. And this, I think, helped her a lot to kind of like apply to different places and know which ones are good or not. The other thing is timing and to apply for scholarships, FAFSA, everything. I've seen a lot of good students like from those friends that had a great potential but didn't get the help that they needed because they didn't have anybody guiding them. So I think that was very helpful.
About college visit, and you gave great insight. You helping us make the decision and help us negotiate as well scholarships or additional money. So when you put everything together, it's definitely worth it. And with us, two working parents, to do this on our own, with everything that happens in life, it's a lot. I think when you don't use a service like this, you put a lot of pressure on your kid to do a lot of this, either the kid or yourself, right? Someone is going to spend a lot of time doing research and figuring it out because you're already under a lot of pressure at school. So this is really helpful. We definitely will leverage you and your expertise for our next daughter, right? In the next 2, 3 years, because it's definitely worth it. So we really appreciate it.